And baby, got some beautiful weather out here today. Let's see how this grill is looking. We're actually wondering what you guys got on the grill today, you know? Let's see right there. Cool, got some slamming ribs, some of that andouille sausage. That's available at Southern Breeze Seafood down in Jacksonville. Got them ribs, they popping. We ain't even sauced it yet. Beautiful weather we having right here. Yo, make sure you guys be safe. Have a great weekend. Turn up 365, no days off. Let's crush it. Peace.